So we just did like a drum, to the right, to the left. Then we wait for the what you say, and all of that is the same. We push away, we go right, left, crisscross, crisscross, except this time the music is different and we switch our rows. So second row, you drop down like this, and then first and third row, you're going to swap with your partner, so everyone's down like this, okay? So we jump up on one, wait, 2, 3, 4. Left group, you go 5, 6. Right group, you go 7, 8. So the right group, you just jumped up, you did 1, 2, 3, 4, wait here, 5, 6, 7, 8. So everybody's here. Then we roll our left hand, 1 and 2, roll it back, 3, 4, your feet are together, and then you rock back, rock, 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 on 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? From here, the music is, I do it, I do it, do it, I do it, do it. So you have step out, shrug, shrug, shrug. Then you're going to pick up with your right hand, sweep the floor with your right hand, bring your feet together, and then push back as you hop onto your right foot and kick your left, and then rock back. Then you take your right foot out, and you go right, left, cross, open, clap. All right? So that brings you to the very end, and then after you do right, left, cross out, clap, you're going to take your right arm and you're going to wave to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Then we're going to do our same, I like it when you do it like that. So that is the same way we did it before, and then it takes us right to the end, and then we are just going to get together and make a really cool, fun pose. All right, happy practicing.